Welcome to the World Tree. So this 4 foot or 120 centimetre sphere contains a tree and its root bowl. So the subdivision of the two parts isn't in half. You notice that the horizon of roots, the land as it were, is slightly lower, and that is because we've used the golden section again to pop it down and to subdivide it, because things that are perfectly symmetrical have a beauty, but they also can be quite uncomfortable. So I've popped the horizon down a little bit and used that maths to govern this. Now, if you were to look directly from above, you would see that there's a space all the way through the centre, a portal, if you like, and the trunk of the tree is unusual in that it twists but is hollow at the same time. And we know that trees in the northern and southern hemispheres rotate, they twist as they grow, and they grow in opposition to each other, so you can tell which ones come from which hemispheres. So this one, you can see it rotating and twisting around. It deliberately opens into a helix and then spreads out as an ash tree. And it's really also specially made for the exhibition as a nod to the Mabinogion, the Welsh history tree, if you like, the branches of the Mabinogion, and all of the stories, therefore, really are pouring out around and being constantly recycled, as we know they are, as long as we tell the stories. So, welcome to the World Tree. The Mabinogion and its many branches of storytelling.